Dear students of 10th class, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we will try to learn the poetic devices used in the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. First, about the rhyme scheme of this poem. Each of the 14 stanzas in this poem follows the same simple rhyme scheme, that is AABB. That is to say, each stanza is actually composed of a pair of rhymed couplets. Then there is another poetic device, oxymoron, which is very much used in this poem. In this device, contradictory terms appear in conjunction. In this poem, the poet uses the device of oxymoron when he writes the phrase "pet dragon." We all know that dragons are dangerous creatures, and therefore we find it hard to believe that they can be domesticated and kept as pets. Another poetic device which is used in this poem is simile, and this poetic device is used when an overt comparison is made between two different things. And in this poem, the poet uses the device of simile in the third line of the second stanza when he compares Belinda's dog with Mustard, saying that both are sharp, and also uses the word as while making the comparison. The poet also uses this device in the third line of the third stanza when he compares the dragon's mouth with a fireplace, and also uses the word like while making this comparison. In the fourth stanza, similarly, the poet compares Belinda with a barrel of beers and her dog with a tiger. In the 10th stanza, the dragon is compared with an engine and a robin, and the sound of its tail with that of irons in a dungeon. Another poetic device, metaphor, is used in this poem when a covert comparison is made between two different things or ideas. We call it metaphor. In this poem, the poet uses the device of metaphor in the third line of the third stanza when he compares the dragon's nose with a chimney. Personification is another poetic device which is used in this poem, and personification is used to bestow human qualities on something that is not human. And in this poem, the poet uses the device of personification with respect to Belinda's kitten, mouse, and dog. In the second line of the fifth stanza, he gives them all the human ability to speak to and tease another being. They are seen teasing the dragon. Yet another poetic device, that is onomatopoeia. It is also used in this poem, and this poetic device is used when a word is used to describe a sound. In this poem, the poet uses the device of onomatopoeia in the second line of the sixth stanza when he uses the word weak to describe the sound a mouse makes while giggling. Some compound words are also used in this poem. Compound words are formed by adding two words into a single one, when normally those words are not used together. In this poem, the poet uses the device of compound word in the third line of the seventh stanza when he combines the words meow and ouch to create the word meouch. Thanks.